Welcome to Transportation, Food and More. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020, and we are here at the Waverley station getting the outbound train. It's probably 3:47. Alright, Dorian.
So, this video lies on a shaky end. So, I sort of was playing around with our tripod a little, and this is the one that we use for you guys. We have a nice little handle here that used to work before this top part did not work. So for this video, we're just going to use it by itself, the phone. Once I get my allowance back for doing the lawn, I will get another tripod because the other one broke. So yeah, it's gonna be a little shaky, but we're going back to little shaky videos, but try not to be too shaky as always. I'm wearing an N95 mask today, not my cloth mask. I'm wearing an N95 today. I don't know why I need to tell you, I just did. But, yeah, so we are here at Waverley Square Station. Thumbnail. There's two bridges here. This is Waverley Square. And we are going to go to we are going to Railfanning, I guess. My Belmont's 3:44, right? And yeah. It's not the train. I was like, so here's Waverley. Where's the sign at for the outbound? Well, that's an outbound. And then I'm gonna walk to the end real quickly to show you guys on a POV view what it looks like. So you're going on a POV view. This is the POV, and we're walking over to the end to show you what the other side looks like. So it's really nothing much, but just a little bit of track till the Beaver Street Rail crossing at Clematis Brook, at the Clematis Road Street, whatever it's called. That's what the road, the famous. The lights are on. Lights are on. Ready to go. So yeah. I'm gonna start walking back now. As you guys can see down there. But if you guys look down there, you'll see my shadow. And for the next one, for the inbound on that side, Waverley, we will be using our selfie stick so that it's at least somewhat a little steadier, right, Dad?
Yeah.
So it's somewhat, probably a little steadier. We could use our selfie stick as a tripod again, right? I mean, may not be as good as this one, but hey, well, at least we have a backup. So the strategy is, we lost our phone clipper that clips the phone into the tripod. Looks like this. So we're gonna take this one out, put it on the one that we have up there. The one that we also have, it's not really a backup, it's the one we used to use our selfie stick / old tripod. We're gonna use that, and yeah, so yeah. I'm hearing a little buzz under the bridge, and I'm not sure what it is. Probably not anything much. And if you want, so you can switch your quality up if you haven't. You could switch it up to the best quality. I don't know why. Just if you want to, you could do it. Like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share, comment that you did all that, and we'll shout you out on this channel. Shout outs to Adrian's Aviation and Railfanning for shouting us out. In exchange, I would like to give him a shout out. We give him a shout out a couple of times, but as you guys know, on this channel, we don't mind. Hopefully it's not too shaky for y'all. Oh crap, here it is. Here it comes. I was like, oh crap, there it is. Oh no. Alright. There it is. 11:30 comes in fast. There goes 11:30 comes in fast there. Yeah. Hey guys. No. 11:30 departs. .11:30 leads with 16:38 trailing. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share, comment, we'll shout you out. Comment down below that you did all that, and we will shout you out. That's the order, right?
Right.
And yeah, there goes the train. Happy June 3rd, right? Or yeah. And there goes the train outbound to Wachusett. Next train will be Railfanning's, the 4:56 inbound train to North Station. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and peace out.